When it comes to installing new PEX tubing or replacing old plumbing lines, you need the new OnePlus PEX Pinch Clamp Tool, the industry's first battery-powered pinch clamp tool. The OnePlus Pinch Clamp Tool not only makes installing PEX fittings virtually effortless, it also features an indication light affirming that the clamp ring has been properly installed. It fits all pinch clamp sizes from 3/8 inch, ½ inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. Get up to 400 clamps on a single battery and work more efficiently with dual LED lights and belt clip. The PEX Pinch Clamp Tool is part of the world's largest platform of over 100 tools, all powered by the same OnePlus batteries. Exclusively at the Home Depot. RYOBI. Pro features, affordable prices.
DEWALT is changing the way work gets done, with innovation for plumbing and mechanical trades, like the fastest PEX expander on the market that's made in the USA with global materials.
It makes my job a lot easier. You're not waiting on any kind of glue to dry. You're not waiting on water to drain. You're not soldering any fittings. I know it's built well, built to the standards that I need it for in my everyday work and in my trade.
Cut overhead threaded rod without chips, sparks, or burrs. No exposed blade.
I like how easy it is to use. I like the way it cuts the all thread. I'm actually really shocked at how clean it cuts this thing.
This is innovation, designed with safety and productivity in mind. All part of the 100 plus products in our 20 volt max system by DEWALT.
The Cobra Pro CP3020 cable drum machine is designed with a professional plumber in mind. This freestanding drain cleaning machine can be used to clear sinks, tubs, floor drains, and roof stacks with 2 to 4 inch lines, reaching up to 75 feet. The portable tubular steel construction frame includes a locking telescoping handle and large wheels for greater mobility. The CP3020 has a 13-inch removable drum for easy cleaning and a 1/3 horsepower motor that can be operated with the hands-free convenience of the included foot pedal. The 4-piece job-specific cutter set can be used to cope with a wide variety of obstructions. The 75-foot 3/8-inch music wire cable has a braided steel inner core, adding strength for repeated use, and is designed, machined, and assembled in the USA. The Cobra Pro CP3020 cable drum machine is a powerful, freestanding, portable drain cleaning machine. Backed by Brasscraft Manufacturing Company and its more than 70-year experience, Cobra Pro designs and manufactures tough, trusted tools for the professional plumber. For more information about Cobra Pro products, visit www.cobratools.com. Cobra Pro, tools for the professional plumber.